Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare. If your phone is stuck while updating or has some other issue, like frozen on the screen or crash, and you don't have a computer or Mac around you to fix it, then this video will help you big time. iPhone 15 and newer iPhone users can fix iPhone crashes wirelessly with another iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now you can use it even when your phone is on iOS 26 beta. If your crashed phone is iPhone 14 or older, this method will not work for you. You will still need a computer. You can use a repair tool called iBoot to fix your phone without data loss. So let's see how you can do this wirelessly now. On your crashed iPhone, you can enter recovery mode. Just charge your phone, then press volume up, then down, then long press the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Then let go of it. Then you can just keep clicking the power button until the Apple logo blinks really fast. Then let go of it. Wait for a while. Then you will see the Apple logo fade in and out. The wireless restore page will appear and a pop-up will show on the other iPhone. Tap Continue and enter the verification code and choose System Recovery. Then it will show you which iOS system it will update your phone to. And that's it. It will fix your phone quickly. No computer needed. If your crashed phone is iPhone 14 or older, this method will not work for you. You will still need a computer to fix your phone. If your phone is back to normal, that's great news. But before you move on, let's make sure it doesn't happen again. If your storage space is almost full, that could be the reason why the update got stuck. So take a few minutes to clear it out. You can also back up your important stuff to iCloud or transfer files to your computer to free up space. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe to us. We've got plenty more iPhone tips, tricks, and easy fixes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.